There's new boxes in the living room. They're a little big. They're kind of in the way.
A little big?
So, they have a present in them for you and your sisters. How would you like to help assemble a brand new dresser for you and your sisters?
That would be pretty fun.
So here are the 3 massive boxes. The Amazon or the UPS deliverer was like, why do you have 3 large packages identical size? I said, oh, I have 3 kids and they're all dressers. And he goes, that makes more sense than what we thought they were. So here they are, a little Amazon logo on there. So I think we ordered these Prime, but the dressers are in here and we are going to open them up.
Look at the tiny box inside. That is like so understatement.
Okay, that is crazy. Why could they not get...
So that Rebecca could have some new boxes to play in.
That they could have shipped all of them in the same box.
Yeah, but now Rebecca gets 3 identical boxes.
And I mean, these are great for crafts too, and you can actually reuse them for like, use them as tablecloths. Like for crafts and stuff, so you don't get your tip. But seriously, they could have put all 3 of them in the same box.
Yeah, but now Rebecca gets 3 identical cat beds.
Come see what it looks like, or what it's gonna look like. What do you think?
Sweet.
My favorite thing is that there will still be a shelf on top for all of your keepsakes. Then there's the individual drawers, and these 2 I'm pretty sure can be moved up here if you want like little drawers than all big drawers. But this is what they all 3 look like, so they'll match as we redo your room and things, so everything will match. And if you go off to college, this will fit in a dorm. So it's something that should last you like for a while. And it fits in this small box, so.
Plus, if you lose the drawers or they get broken, you can buy new ones without having to buy a whole new dresser.
Or if you even just want to change your colors out, you can just purchase new drawers. Alright, so let's take it out and take a look at it real quick. There's another view of it as well with the comparison of how big these are. Styrofoam.
Cheers.
It weakens me. Alright, shove that in the box. The big box. And then put that box instead of another box.
And then put that box inside of another box. And then...
Alright, now drop it down.
And when it arrives, I'll smash it with a hammer! It's brilliant, 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 I tell you!
Pull it out. I'm not sure if it comes with tools or if we'll have to get my purple toolbox out.
If it comes with tools, can I keep them?
We'll see. Just try pulling all of it out at once.
Trying. Not working.
There you go. Pull!
Okay, it seems easier to pull it one big metal thing at a time.
Pack those in there. There you go. Side 1.
Side 2.
Try not to scratch the hardwood floor.
And then the drawers. Oh, these are big drawers.
All right,
They're bigger
what
than
else?
I thought they'd be.
There should be more hardware. And there is.
Ooh.
Alright, careful not to scratch the floor. Is that it?
No, there's one more thing.
Instructions? Yay, instructions!
Yay, instructions.
Instructions? There.
Comes with its own little screws.
These are drawers too.
Looks like the squirrels will have plenty of dinner. I found the nuts.
And I thought that I wouldn't have to deal with puns this time. Instructions.
Well, you were sadly mistaken.
Yes, it should come with a tool to help piece this together. So we should get this together in no time. So now our next job is we have to take the 3 dressers behind me here, and well, technically only one of them's a dresser, which is why we did this, is because when the kids were little, it was easier to store their clothes in the plastic drawer units, teach them how to put their own laundry away. They're big kids now, which these are the fabric ones, but that's what we saw was like the trending thing right now for like kids rooms, tween rooms, teen rooms. And like I said, it's something that she'll be able to take off to like college if she wants to, or anywhere she moves, apartment, whatever. It's something lightweight she can take with her, easy to move. She could move by herself. But she is the only one that actually has an actual wooden dresser, and this was their dad's. The other 2, like I said, plastic drawer units. So I'm probably gonna remove all of this and move these. We may get rid of these. They loved them at first. The goal was to have a Disney themed room. That kind of didn't work out, but we may remove these. All this is gonna go. All of these dolls are staying. All of these are collectibles. Some of these were like their Aunt Jenny's, and that's like a precious thing to them now. So all of this is fixing to get cleared off, and then we're gonna take all her clothes out of the drawers right here, and they're gonna go in the box, the big box that this came in. We're gonna put all of them in there, and then we may be learning some new folding techniques to get them in these drawers and maybe pare down a little bit more than what we already had, because it's a little bit smaller than I was actually kind of imagining what I wanted for them. But this is perfect. It's perfect for what we wanted. Not gonna complain. So, but we are gonna have to learn how to refold some things to make it fit. So the next goal is to take the big box, get the clothes out. Old dresser's out of the way. It has been moved to the toy room temporarily. Now it's time to put the new one back in, or not back into, to put the new one in the girls' room. Day 2, and now box 2.